Hello, everyone. So, today we're going to read How I Care for My Pet. What steps do you follow to take care of a pet? See how this responsible owner cares for a dog named Duncan. My dog Max. Max depends on me. I need to take care of him. Time to eat. First, I fill his food dish. Next, I fill his water dish. Then Max eats and drinks. Going for a walk. Max needs to go outside. I put on his leash. I take him on a walk. I clean up after him. That's important. It's playtime. After Max's walk, we play in the yard. We play fetch. First, I throw the ball. Then he runs to get it. Finally, he brings it back. Keeping clean. I brush Max's fur. I take out the tangles. Tomorrow, I will give him a bath. That's how I care for my pet. How would you do it? Activity: write a story. Pretend that you are you responsible for taking care of a pet. On a separate sheet of paper, write a story about the steps that you would take to do this job. Use at least 3 of the words shown on the opposite pages to write a story. Story word list is first, next, then, last, before, after, finally, but you can use any transition words you would like. Here are some fun facts in a glossary. Fun facts: the Labrador Retriever is the most popular dog breed in the United States. Bella and Max are the most popular puppy names, and actually, my dog's name is Bella. There are more than 78 million pet dogs in the United States.